You just had a root canal treatment, so what are the next steps in the next 24 hours and also in the next couple of days? In the next 24 hours, what we recommend is that you don't eat anything, or if you want to eat something, you can use a straw. You need to take your medication prescribed by our doctors, and also if there's any swelling, you can apply ice packs from the outer cheek so that there's less swelling. After the root canal treatment is completed, if there is any need, we can place a crown on it to make the tooth structure even stronger. The root canal treatment here is done by our expert doctor, specialized doctor, and endodontist, and his only job here is to do the root canals. If you want to have your root canal treatment done in the best way possible by our specialized doctors, you can always book an appointment at Lima Clinic. If you want to book an appointment, you can click the link below and book your appointment now.